guys, happy new year. We made it to this year. We made it to 2023, and I would like to wish everyone a great and a wonderful year, and I pray that all our heart desires come true. I'm back again with this week's CVS deal. I can't make it to the store again, and I don't want to leave you all hanging, but I'm sure that I'll be back with my regular video next week. I still decided to finish up this holiday with my family. Let's see what deals I can find. And if this is your first time here, I would like to welcome you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share the video. First deal I'll be talking about will be on the Boost. The deal is buy 4, you get $10 back. And it's also on sale for $8.99. That's the Boost Original. But if you want to get the protein, those ones are on sale for $9.99. But I'll be focusing on the Boost Original. When you pick up 4 of them will come up to $35.96. Use 2 of the 5 off of 2 Boost coupon from 1 save insert. And also, if you have a 5 off of 25 Boost CRT or 5 off of 30 next purchase CRT, use that. You pay $20.96 and you get $10 back, making all 4 items $10.96 or $2.74 each. The next deal will be on the Garnier Fruities. It's on sale for 2 for $8, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. But on this week's savings start, there is a 3 off of 2 paper coupon that will apply to this. Use that and you pay 5 and you get $2 back, making both items $3 or $1.50 each. But if you have the 3 off of 10 cosmetic or hair care CRT, add the next deal I will talk about and it will make it even cheaper. The next deal will be on the whole blend. It's on sale for 2 for $8, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. In the same savings set of 1, you get a 3 off of 2 paper coupon in there that you can use with this. If you're doing it by itself, you pay $5 and you get $2 back, making both items $3 or $1.50 each. But if you have the 3 off of 10 hair care CRT that I got in my text message, you can combine this with the Garnier Fruities and you end up paying just $7 and you get $4 back. That's 2 for the whole blend and 2 for the Garnier Fruities. It will end up making all 4 items $3 or 75 cents each. The next deal will be on Eucerin. It's on the deal of spend 20, you get $10 back. Pick up 2 of the skin calming cream, priced at $10.49 each. Both of them will bring you up to $20.98. I still have those $2 coupon I got in my doctor's office, and I know there is one on coupons.com. It's no longer available, and I'm sure they expired already, maybe yesterday. If your store accepts that, you can use 2 of them. If you have the 32% email CRT, use that also. That will bring it down to $11.55. You pay that and you get $10 back, making both items $1.55 or 77 cents each. Next day will be on the soft soap. It's on sale for 4 for $12, and the deal is when you buy 4, you get $4 back. So pick up 4 of them, then go to softsoap.com and print out some 50 cents coupon. It can only allow you to print out 2, so you can use your phone and also your laptop. And when you use those 4 coupons, you end up paying just $10 and you get $4 back, making all 4 items $6 or $1.50 each. This deal will be on the spend 30, get $10 back. There are so many items included in this deal, and it's also a limit of 1. The first item I'll pick up will be the Tide detergent on sale for $12.99. And I also pick up the Tide Pod, also on sale for $12.99. Go to pggoodeveryday.com and print out a $3 coupon for each one of them, and make sure you're ready to use them because they all expire within 24 hours. That will not bring me up to 30, so the next item I'll pick up will be the Tide Pod, priced at $5.49. And on the same website, you can also print out a $1 coupon. If you're doing this by itself, 3 of them will bring you to $31.47. And after all the coupons apply, you pay $24.47 and you get back 10, making all 3 items $14.47 or $4.82 each. But I have 8 off of 40 next purchase CRT that I'll be using with this. To use the 8 of 440, I'll be adding the Revlon to this transaction. And the deal with the Revlon is when you buy 2, you get $5 back, or when you buy 3, you get $7 back. This is a tier deal, so it doesn't track. You have to do this in one transaction. I'll be picking up 3 of the lipstick priced at $10.29, and I'll use 2 of the buy 2 get 1 free CRT. I received one last week, and I also received one this week. So 2 of them will make 2 of the lipstick free. I'll be paying for just 1. And everybody received an instant CRT of $4. I hope yours is 4. So that will take off 4, leaving me to pay $7.29 if I'm doing this by itself. But since I'm adding everything with the spend 30, and when all the coupons and CRT apply, I will end up paying just $22.76, and I'll get $10 back for the spend 30 and $7 back for buying 3 of the Revlon, making all 6 items $5.76 or 96 cents each. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all next week.